So this is a GoPro with the SmartMike Plus attached to the GoPro with another SmartMike Plus plugged in via a 3.5mm jack TRRS for mobile devices and GoPro. It's there with the adapter. I've got it in a cage. I'll show you my little setup on the screen while I'm talking. You do need two SmartMike Pluses to do this for the GoPro. It's really easy to connect it. You turn the one on, which is connected to the GoPro, and then the blue light flashes away. You hold this one down for 10 seconds. The light flashes green, and then they connect automatically. Green on me is the way I remembered it. I'm just realising now that it didn't really rhyme, and so I don't know why I remembered it like that, but that's what you have to do. But the microphone, it just sounds absolutely amazing. We've got the wind muff, the dead cat on the microphone that's attached to me, and it just sounds really good. It stops all the wind. And then we can do other stuff with the GoPro. You haven't got to be vlogging with it like this. I can set you down on this bench over yonder. You can check out the view and I can still talk to you. So let's do that. This is one of my favourite views, about 15 minutes away from where I live. It's harvest season at the moment. You can see the hay bales. Recording in 5K, so I'll crop in and show you the hay bales. Can you see them? Yeah, you can, just about. We'll crop in 5K. It's the first time I've recorded in 5K on the GoPro. I don't generally use it because of the file sizes, and I'm presuming it's gonna be a little bit difficult to edit this video. But this is what, having a wireless microphone just gives you a little bit more freedom, so you can talk like this. I can show you over there. I don't have to hold you all the time. I can sit you down and talk. And I just love that. I love the idea of that. Not only does it sound fantastic, it's light. The way I've got it attached to the GoPro is a little bit clunky. There's no real way to sort of clip it on. That would be my my ask to SmartMike if they were going to upgrade this microphone at any point. Some kind of, wow, my God, look at all the, can you see all the daddy long legs in the grass? Oh my good God. But yeah, my ask to SmartMike, if they were going to upgrade this in the future, was to have some kind of, I don't know, some kind of magnetic mount that I've had on other microphone systems that we can put into the cold shoe mount, clip it on the top so it's nicely attached to the GoPro or whatever you're using it with. This microphone is brilliant with the iPhone. I'm now using it with the GoPro at the moment, but with the iPhone, it's absolutely brilliant. Their app is fantastic. There's different ways to use the app, like picture-in-picture mode for vlogging is exceptional. With the iPhone, you only need one of these. They're obviously saving you a little bit of money. With stuff like the GoPro for live streaming, for doing, you can do it with your laptop, anything that's got a 3.5mm jack. If you've got two of these, you can use this with, but you do have to have two, and that obviously incurs an extra cost. But it still sounds great. It's still well worth the money, I think. There is a link in the description down below. That's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anymore. It just helps this channel grow. And if you do buy through that, I appreciate you. That's it pretty much for this video. It's fairly simple to use. It connects pretty well. The battery life is really good. It's really light. I don't even notice it's on my t-shirt. And that's it. I'm going to be doing some more follow-up videos on it. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Give us a like. It really does help me in the channel out. Press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And that's pretty much it for the SmartMike. It's a fantastic sounding, versatile microphone. Check him out, show him some love. And that's it. Okay guys, take it easy. I'm gonna try and get back to the car before I get absolutely soaked. Catch you on the next one, bye. Appreciate you watching guys, thanks again. Make sure you do subscribe and press the notifications on so you don't miss any uploads. Drop us a like, it really does help the channel. Check out the podcast, it's a lot of fun over there. Also, you might like this other video. Thanks for watching.